Okay, so I'm going to show you this binder from almost 30 years ago that has NBA cards, but just the base or the common cards. And these are the new cards that I started collecting 3 months ago, I guess. I have a smaller binder that has the inserts, base inserts, and the rare ones. But this one, it has the basic or common or base cards. So let's show them. I got a Ray Allen rookie card. Uy! That's good. McDice, rookie, Sharif Abdul Rahim. Oh, Steve Nash. Rookie. Robert Ory, Suns. They are really old. Look at the binder. Okay, next page. Charles Barkley, Topps future MVP. Kevin Johnson. Hakeem. Cedric Ceballos. Patrick Ewing. Jorge again. David Robinson. Let's go look for the rookie cards since they are just base. Gary Payton. Not, of course, not a rookie. Hornacek. Who's this? Ah, Jerry Stackhouse. Rookie? Is this a rookie card? I'm not sure. This is Steph's dad. Steph Curry's dad. And this is Domantas Sabonis' dad. Rookie cards. This is a rookie card. Kerry Kittles. John Wallace. Walter McCarthy. Rasheed Wallace. Is it a rookie card? No, it's not a rookie card. Coleman. Matt Doherty. Not Doherty. Matt Maloney. Kevin Garnett. I got a Kevin Garnett. Not a rookie card. Ray Allen again. Rookie card. Sky. Swats. Chris Webber. Who's this? Tim Hardaway. Scottie Pippen. Robert Parrish. Brian Reeves. Rasheed Wallace. Traded to Portland. Tim Hardaway. Reggie. Dice. Oh, Tony Kukoc. Oh, so I have NBA hoops. Kenny Anderson. Grant's playbook. My personal collection was Grant Hill. And those collections are in the smaller binder. Detlef Schrempf. Rookie card. Where are you, rookie cards? Slam. Eric Williams. Abdul Rahim. Vin Baker. Glenn Rice. Sam Cassell. I don't know these guys. Tim Hardaway. Chris Gatling. Eddie Jones. Steph. Von Marbury. Ray Allen. John Wallace. Dirk White. Dimitri Hill. Chris Gatling. Kukoc. Vlade Divac. Tim Hardaway again. Stephon. Brian Reeves. Christian Laettner. Muggsy Bogues. Stacey Ogman. Alonzo Mourning. No Shaq. No Kobe. Charles Barkley. Sean Kemp. Detlef Schrempf. Glenn Rice. Isaiah Rader. Glenn Robinson. Chris Webber. Gary Payton. Steve Smith. Charles Barkley. Karl Malone, the OGs, Stockton, Clyde Drexler, Joe Smith, rookie Brent Barry, Reggie, Chris Webber, Sasha Danilovic, Reggie Miller, Glenn Robinson, Luke Longley. What's this? Stackhouse. Tony Kukoc, Antonio McDyess, Scottie Pippen, Sean Kemp, Longley, Allen Houston, Hakeem, Dominic Wilkins, Glenn Rice, next, Anthony Mason, Cedric Ceballos, David Robinson, Chapman, Maloney, Kenny Anderson, Reggie, Scottie Pippen, Chris Webber, Tony Kukoc, Maxi Bogues. Nothing much here. Rookie cards. Where are you, rookie cards? Jason Kidd, another rookie card. This one is a rookie card. Robert Pack, Derek Fisher, Tim Hardaway, Jim Jackson, Patrick Ewing, Rashid Wallace, David Robinson, Jeff Hornacek, Mookie Blaylock. He looks like Michael Jordan. Look at this one. Joe Dumars, Joe Johnson. Oh, I got a Grant Hill here. Oh, these are my PC Grant Hill base cards or common cards. Here I'm showing my PC, but just base cards, Grant Hill. Okay, next, this one. So old. Show this one. I got a Kobe rookie card. Kobe Bryant rookie card. I got a Kobe Bryant rookie card here. Not sleeved. Larry Johnson. Rookie Jerome Williams. Glenn Rice, David Robinson. This is another Mookie Blaylock who looks like Michael Jordan. Scottie Pippen. Another Kobe Bryant. Charles Barkley, Jason Kidd, Leitner, D-Raj, Tony Kukoc, Avery Johnson, Steve Nash. Look at that. Totally damaged. Chris Webber. Brent Barry. Reggie. Okay. Lonely. Hey, I'm looking for Kobe Bryant rookie card.
What is that?
Shaquille. That's nothing. Kobe is what we're looking for. Garnett rookie card. Oh, this is good. Kevin Garnett. Rookie. Antonio McDyess. Rookie. Marcus Camby. Kobe. Where are you, Kobe? Shaq. Rookie tayo sa Edney. John Stockton, Barkley, Jason Kidd, Skybox. Kenny Smith. Dikembe. Bob Sura. Scottie Pippen. Kobe, where are you? Steve Nash? Is this a rookie card? I don't think so. No Kobe. Austin Croshier. Mahmoud Abdul. Rookie. Rashid Wallace. Dominic Wilkins. Danilovic. Almost done. This guy is 7'7".
6'7".
No, 7. And the other guy, Maxi, you're taller than him. He's 5'3".
Who?
Maxi Bogues.
Where?
We're not gonna go back there.
He's 5'3" and he made it to NBA.
Yeah.
So anything's possible. Okay, this is the end.
The end. And I'll show you my latest collections here. Just mixture of base inserts there.
It's a lot cleaner.
There, and rookie cards, base this one's hollow, this one's numbered, and the other one, this one's numbered 2 out of 99. Bronny. And then the base cards. I'm just starting to collect right now again, so hopefully there will be more. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.